Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Ever wondered how businesses, especially partnerships, share their hard-earned profits? Well, that's exactly what a profit and loss appropriation account helps us understand. It's a special statement prepared after the main P&L, specifically to show how net profit is distributed or appropriated among the partners. It's a really important step in the financial reporting process for many businesses. So, why is this account so important? Firstly, it brings clarity and transparency to profit sharing, helping to avoid arguments among partners. It also ensures that the terms of the partnership deed are followed precisely, outlining things like interest on capital, partner salaries, or commissions. Ultimately, it gives everyone a clear, written record of how the profit has been fairly distributed. When setting up an appropriation account, we always start with the net profit figure from your main profit and loss statement. We then add items that increase available profit, like interest charged on partners' drawings. Next, we subtract amounts such as partner salaries, commissions, and interest paid on their capital contributions. It's all about systematically adjusting that initial profit figure. Okay, let's walk through the actual preparation. Start by transferring the net profit from your P&L account to the credit side of the appropriation account. If it's a net loss, you'd place it on the debit side. Then, you'll debit the account for all allocations like partner salaries, commissions, and interest on capital. Finally, credit the account for any interest on partners' drawings. After all those deductions and additions, you'll have a remaining balance, which is the final profit or loss. This crucial remaining amount is then distributed among the partners based on their agreed-upon profit-sharing ratio, as outlined in their partnership deed. Ultimately, completing this account accurately ensures that every partner receives their rightful share, bringing clear financial closure for the period.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.